Alright boys, so we picked up a set of wides, not those. For the first gen, they're in the back of this truck. We're gonna get them mounted on a set of different tires because they're on 38-inch Nittos right now. So we're heading to the tire shop, getting them mounted, and I'll reveal what they look like, boys. Alright boys, so the wheels and tires are getting dismounted right now. I picked up these guys. Yeah. Rubber bands to put some 20s on. Super small tires to throw on this thing. Some of you guys are gonna absolutely hate it. Some will love it, but I think it'll look better than this setup that's on it right now. It'll be thicker. And yeah boys, so but once tire shop tells me they're dismounted and I can come pick them up, then I'll go get them. And then can't find anyone to mount them right now, and so we're gonna mount them ourselves. Never mounted tires before, so this will be the first. So all right boys, so just got home with the wheels. Yeah. So I'm gonna get everything ready. Get the air compressor ready. I got my starting fluid. Got my pry bars to get these on. And never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. One's down. Lip and kick out. Take a video of that's quite a bit. Almost. You want to take little chunks. Yeah.
Droga.